Okay, we got our head here. We've let this all set up and dry very well. So what we want to do is we want to start rounding this down here. So I'm going to use my 4-inch belt sander to start to round it. And then we'll go to our Dremel once we get it down close to what we want. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I will get back with you. Okay, you can see how we're getting it rounded down, so we're going to keep rounding it down till we get inside our circle here, so it'll fit in our body okay. Thanks for watching.